Hey guys, Ben and Amanda here from Gym Meal Prep. We want to take a second and explain our website just a little bit, give you guys kind of a better idea how to navigate through. So if you look at the bottom, there's going to be two separate tabs. The first tab is going to say House Standards, and the second tab is going to say Custom Orders. House Standards are basically pre-made meals that are already cooked to order and already have a predetermined cook size. Now the Custom tab is going to be a little bit more tricky, and I'm going to let Amanda explain how to do the Custom tabs.
When you click on the Custom tab, you're going to see all the options at the bottom. And the first thing that you're going to do is pick out the protein option of your choice. So say you want chicken breast, you click on chicken breast. The first thing that you're going to want to select is the quantity. So you need to tell me how many ounces you need. The next two variables will be the carb that you want and the vegetable that you want. So select which ones you want. And then after that, you're also going to tell me how much carbs and how much vegetables. So once you've selected all of those variables, you tell me quantity. So of that combination, how many of those would you like? Simply add it to the shopping cart, keep shopping. Once you're ready to check out, there's going to be two options. Option one is that you can do a pickup, which is free, or option two, there's a delivery for $15. Once you've selected your delivery or pickup, then you're going to bounce to the final page and it's going to say, do you want this to be a one-time purchase or would you like this to be a reoccurring order? If it's a reoccurring order, you do save 10% and it'll automatically handle it for you every week.
Awesome. Let's add just a little bit on the side on the custom orders. You're going to actually see a chart that's going to recommend for your particular size, whether you're male or female, give you a rough idea as far as what size meal to order. As also that what we can do is if you really want to take it to the next level and you have questions, we actually have a section where you can purchase a meal plan. So we'll actually do a custom written out meal plan for you guys as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Ben.
I'm Amanda.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.